Hello, fourth graders. We're going to look at some 1.1 math vocabulary terms. I can figure out how to switch here. So you've got digits. So digits means any of these symbols. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Places is where a number is located. So if you look at the number 9, you've got it in the tens place, you've got it in the hundreds, and you've got it in the ones. So the value of that 9 depends on the place where it is, so where it is located. Place value is a system that gives the digits its value according to its position or place. So where the 3 is right here, that's 3,000. So that's showing that that 3 there is, its place value is 3,000, or its value is 3,000. Standard notation is the most common way of representing whole numbers, integers, and decimals. Don't worry about integers so much in decimals right now. We're talking more just whole numbers. So it's just how we write numbers.